We have been receiving reports of 67 missing persons in the last 12 hours. We are unsure if these victims are alive or dead. The entity that captured them was described as a long, tall humanoid anomaly, approximately 10 feet tall with long arms and should not be approached. For your safety, we advise you to stay inside. Lock all doors and windows, and secure your children and pets. If you have a firearm, do not hesitate to arm yourself. You need to be prepared for the worst. The victims said that, before they were attacked, they heard voices in their head and were having hallucinations. If you have been noticing these things are happening, go to a doctor or healthcare center immediately. If you know anybody that is experiencing these things, do the same. Another important thing to know is that this entity can communicate through televisions, radios, cell phones and any other form of technology. If you see this entity outside, you need to run and hide. If you hear strange noises in your basement or attic, you need to run.
I am outside. Let me in, Jason.